If you run a property management business, you know that keeping track of keys can be a real chore. Do you ever waste time looking for keys that are never where they should be? Are you fed up with chasing contractors for keys? Do you struggle to keep your key records up to date? That's why we've teamed up with Keyzapp, the best-in-class key management system. Our seamless integration with Keyzapp lets you track every single key for a property. Just one click takes you from Fixflo over to Keyzapp, where you can sign out, reserve, or archive keys. Add any notes required to identify the key. And easily head back to Fixflo once you're ready. By activating the integration, you will build landlord trust by demonstrating your attention to security. Easily track each key anytime, anywhere. And stop keys going astray by reminding contractors to bring them back automatically. All this means less time spent key hunting and more time for you to build lasting relationships with your landlords, occupiers, and contractors. Something software can never do. Book a free demo today.